Every day we encounter irritating situations. Every irritating experience becomes a tiny trauma. We are not used to think of irritating experiences as traumas, but technically they are the same thing. Traumas are memories that fuse with unpleasant emotions. When we remember traumas, the corresponding unpleasant emotion resurfaces. The memory of an adverse experience can be as unpleasant as the experience itself. Emotions are manifestations of mental energy. Once an emotion is trapped in a trauma, its energy becomes unavailable to us. The more traumas we have, the less mental energy we have. The less mental energy we have, the weaker our minds are. And the easier we get sick and the faster we age. And the more prone we are to depression. Usually, subconsciousness resolves tiny traumas while we sleep. It separates the memory and the trapped emotion. When we wake up in the next morning, we can recollect the frustrating event without getting upset. To resolve bigger traumas, subconsciousness may need a few days or weeks. Sleep heals all wounds, not time. Sometimes subconsciousness can't resolve a trauma because the recollection of the trauma triggers strong emotions and reinforces the trauma. That's a vicious circle. We can dissolve such reinforced traumas by recapitulating them consciously and by talking about them. This helps subconsciousness to separate the memory and emotion. In principle, that's what happens during therapies. But we can also nip traumas in the bud. While we have a frustrating experience, we can prevent emotions from fusing with memories. This is easier than you may think. To do that, you need to become conscious of the fact that your body produces emotions. Ourselves or souls don't get emotional. Our cells just witness our bodies getting emotional. We can't stop our body from conjuring emotions, but we can ignore them. This is the technique. When an emotion arises, say to yourself, my body is having an emotional reaction. I won't respond to that. I will sit it out. It helps to breathe deeply, count backwards from 10, or do another relaxation exercise. When you regain your balance, analyze the situation that triggered your body's emotional response. Was it really that bad? Be rational about it. You just need to do this exercise a few times to establish a habit of ignoring unpleasant emotions and preventing traumas. Of course, if you get into a truly dangerous situation, like an accident, earthquake, or someone attacks you, you better use your body's emotional energy, the adrenaline, to get to safety. Thank you for watching this video. Please help spreading the light with a like and a share, and don't forget to subscribe. Love and light.